Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Death Jackal from Godzilla x Kong. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Death Jackal from Godzilla x Kong, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to bring it back like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up. I'm going to add a little line or two underneath it. Then I'm going to make a little kind of zigzag line that just kind of goes up and down, and that'll be just kind of like the eyebrow. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down right to about here. Then I'm going to curve a line down. I'm going to curve another line and bring it back for the nose. Then I'm going to bring this line down for the front of the mouth. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. I'm going to bring this line down and up for the lip. Then we'll curve this line with kind of a zigzag. We're going to bring this line back here, and we're going to make it kind of zigzaggy to make it real furry. Next, let's make some little pointed teeth in the front, and then a really big sharp tooth. And then we'll make some more kind of jagged pointed teeth. We'll make a couple small ones here, and then another big one, and then a few smaller ones. Now I'm going to kind of curve a little bit of a broken line right around the top and around the bottom of the lips. Next, we'll make a little zigzag line back here. And then we'll put another zigzag line, kind of broken, or one or two underneath here. Now for the ear, I'm going to bring this line up to a point. I'm going to bring it down and then back. Then we'll make a little zigzag line here. We'll bring this up and down. Now, up here, we're going to bring this line up with like a zigzag kind of jagged bump on top. And then down here, we're going to make this kind of pointed and zigzag, make it look like it's really furry. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down at an angle, and we're going to curve this back. We're going to make a big claw on here, then another big claw here, and kind of curve it. We'll put another line that's just going to go down and up to kind of show there's that third claw. We'll put a couple little curved lines. Next, I'm going to take this line back, and I'm going to bring it up. Then on each one right here, let's do a little curved line and then a couple extra lines to make it look like it's kind of wrinkled. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to jump over this one and bring it down to here. I'm going to extend this one out to a point and bring it back. We'll make another one here to a point and bring it back. Then we're going to curve this up here. We'll do that same thing, a little curve with some extra little lines on here. Next, we're going to bring this line up. We'll bring an extra line here and bring this line over. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then back at an angle. Then we'll take this line back here. Make a line that's going to come down and back. One more here. Then we'll do one right here. We're going to bring this line up and take it back to here. I'm going to bring this line right to here for the back of the leg. Just kind of how we did before, we'll put a little curve on each claw and add some extra little wrinkle lines on there. I'll do another one here. Bring this out and then down. Take it out here. A little point and another point here. This time though, when we bring it back, let's put a little extra to kind of do claw shape up here. We're going to bring this up and to here and then bring it back. We'll do the little claws and the wrinkle lines, and even on this little guy up here. We're going to bring this line back, make some broken lines, and then we'll add some more kind of fur on the top. Then I'm just going to kind of bring this long line down for the tail. Then let's add a few little wrinkle curve lines here and take this line all the way down to here and make it meet at a point. Now we've got our basic shape of our Death Jackal in here. Now let's add some of the different details. So let's kind of finish off the face. I'm going to add a couple little kind of wrinkle lines here. And then a few more kind of zigzag patches on here just to kind of show there's some fur, a little extra line or two there. Then we'll make some little lines kind of right around here just for a little bit of detail. Up here, I'm going to make these kind of like zigzag lines, and you can see I'm leaving lots of space in between them. That way it kind of looks like there's patches of fur, maybe some more like skin. You always add some little extra lines in here, just to kind of make it look really furry. Gonna add extra little lines right in here. Some extra lines here, and little lines right around here. I'm going to curve a line or two this way, and then I'm going to make these long lines coming down to make it look like the ribs are showing. I'll put a couple little curved lines where like the knee would be. And then an extra little line that kind of curves around here just to kind of show the shape of where the leg is. And then maybe even a little broken line down here. Maybe some more wrinkle lines on the feet. And then lots of extra little lines on the legs just to kind of show there's a lot of texture on there. And even do some on the arms too, or the front legs. And maybe even some lines kind of coming across here. And then just for the tail, just kind of keep it simple. A couple little lines in some different spots. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Death Jackal from Godzilla x Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.